experience with the distribution has been beautiful, but at the same kind of heart-wrenching to know that our community is hurting the way that it is, but very happy that we're able to provide this service to them.
My experience is very nice. I like it. I like to help to the elderly and people who need food. So it's amazing. My experience with delivering and Metro is very nice. I like it.
So as you can see, that's how Metro Via does it. They come to our location, they get us to go, they ask for our table, which table that is gonna be for them. And so we're gonna see right now, she's leaving. Yeah. We're really happy to have this partnership with Metro.